In order to grow, your manufacturing or construction business needs sales. And for this, it's better to use a simple and fast solution. Enter OnePageCRM. Manufacturing and construction businesses in over 80 countries use it for its dynamic follow-up system, interactive sales pipeline, product catalog, free web forms, and much more. Here's how it works. When you log into OnePageCRM, the first thing you'll see is your contacts, your customers, leads, suppliers, and so on. But here's the twist. Every contact has a follow-up reminder. We color code and automatically sort them by urgency, so you know what to focus on first. Send a proposal to a prospect, give a call to a new supplier, or send an invoice to a customer. So this list never stands still. It's always moving and growing, just like your business. Once you finish one action, the next one flows to the top, like a conveyor belt for your follow-ups. You can also easily add new contacts from industry events with their free business card scanner. Just take a photo and it'll capture all the details and automatically create a new contact in your CRM. Every contact page has everything you need, such as notes, opportunities, orders, invoices, and even emails. Send bulk emails, use templates, track email opens, or schedule them for later, all directly from your CRM. There's also a simple drag and drop pipeline, where you can move projects and opportunities between stages, or create different pipelines for different products and needs. And when it's time to quote a customer, just open your catalog, choose the products they ordered, and OnePageCRM will automatically calculate the total amount and any costs involved, so you can quote them right away. You can also connect OnePageCRM to QuickBooks, MailChimp, Google Calendar, and many other apps, so all that client-related information is in one place. You'll also get free web forms too. They're easy to set up and fully sync with your OnePageCRM account. Every new inquiry will have a follow-up reminder, so your sales team can quickly get in touch with new leads. And last but not least, we also have a free AI-powered route planner for those salespeople who are always on the road. There's no complicated setup and no training required. Just create an account and start using OnePageCRM right away.